Hi guys, in this video I wanted to show you my Santa Rosa plum tree that's been in the ground. This is the second year. It's June 10th right now. It's scorching outside. Trying to compose myself to make this video. I'm already getting heat burned here. But I'm about to pull this one fruit that I got on this tree and taste it for the first time. Look how nice and beautiful that looks. So I had it covered with this organza bag. So just gave one fruit this year. There was a couple more, but the birds got it. So as you could see, it's about, I would say 12 feet tall. It's in full sun here. It's not afraid of the sun at all. And I got this one in Walmart. This is the Santa Rosa plum, Japanese plum. Let's give this thing a taste. I'm gonna take it inside, cut it in half, and see what we got. It looks beautiful, just beautiful. About the size of a, maybe a little bit bigger than a golf ball. Let's take it in. Okay, so we're inside. I washed it. As you can see, it gets a lot glossier when you wash it. It's got some protective film here. But it looks beautiful. I think it's already ready. I honestly prefer fruits that are more on the tart side than sweet. This is how it looks inside. Let's see how it tastes. Well, it tastes very warm. So it probably would taste better with it's cold. It's got nice consistency, tastes like a regular plum. I think it is fully ripe. It's nice and sweet. Although I probably, like I said, I prefer things more tart. I do have a Plueri tree that's also not ripe, and I picked it and it's tart. So I would probably pick this if you prefer it tart. Maybe it's June 10th right now. I'd probably pick it maybe in the beginning of June or late May if you want it tart. If you want it sweet and fully ripe, now would be the best time to pick it. But it's tastes like a plum, very nice. It still has a little bit of tartness, which is good. So I would say perfect blend of sweetness and tartness, depending on how, you know, at what point you're eating it at. The aftertaste is definitely more tart, starts out more sweet. But look at that beautiful specimen. Nothing like growing your own fruit. So I'm definitely excited about this one. This is the Santa Rosa plum, Japanese plum. And like I said, it takes the full Arizona sun. It's not afraid of it. And I mean, I baby my trees in terms of water, so I can't really recommend the water schedule. I personally water my trees a lot, and I water them every day. Plus, I give them a weekly deep soak as well. My water bill is high, but you know, I think in the summertime, personally, I think it's very hard to overwater a tree in the Phoenix summer. But there's other gurus or whatever that tell you whatever, you know, schedules, and that's up to you to do your own research and try it out. If you feel like your tree is looking a little bit, you know, like it's struggling, don't follow the rules, you know, like they're written in stone. You know, you could mix things up a little bit. Okay, thank you guys. Take care.